days ago it was a snowstorm. Everybody I feel lucky, nobody couldn't come out. So this is the aftermath. Well, the road look pretty good right now. Yesterday it was a lot of ice, you know. And the day before nobody couldn't come out on the road. Right now it's trying to look pretty good. Especially the main road. Like most of the side road still have ice. Right now we have to look out for black ice. So you're gonna see some part of the road look like it's wet, but it's actually ice. Water turn into ice. So this is the aftermath after the snowstorm. But you still have some area that worse than this area. It's not really that bad compared to some different places or some different state. Right now this is North Carolina. This is in Mocksville, North Carolina. And this is what it looked after the snowstorm. This is what it looked like. And you see some part of the road have black ice, so you have to drive slow and drive careful and look out for black ice. See it? Right now it's freezing cold right now. Yeah, it's freezing cold right now. Over there. So I'm just taking my own little time. They can pass because I just saw a vehicle overtake and gone, so if you want to pass, you can pass. So there are some people, so this is the aftermath of the winter storm that took place over the weekend. Sunday night, Monday, Saturday night, Sunday, right back to Monday morning. Yeah. So this is the aftermath. And them say the whole of this week gonna cold, very cold, and might possibly more snow gonna fall this weekend. So just tracking the weather, listen note and watch the weather channel to see if it actually gonna happen. The tractor still cleaning up. So, just a little short video to show you the aftermath of the snowstorm. So Monday, nobody could drive on this Monday gone. Nobody could drive on this Monday. It's really good now. If you're looking at the road, you see the road look like a water. It's not water. It's black ice. skid off the road. I went over into the ditch. So on this road you gotta be very careful. Actually ice on the road. This is actually ice right here, we're driving on. That's how dangerous it is. That's what I was saying before. The major road is okay, but the minor road like this road here is like a minor road. And this is how it looks. This is actually ice. So you're driving on ice right here. This is the danger here. Have to be very careful driving on this. But at least you can see this. The most dangerous one is the one that you can't see, which is the black ice. So you might see the road and you think it's water running the road, and it's ice. You smash a brake and you're going straight off the road. This is it, my people. This is it. So if you're watching the channel for the first time, remember to subscribe. Like the video. You can also support the channel, Cash App, or leave a super thanks. You can find it, this Cash App link in the description. Yeah, man. So this is it, people. Ice everywhere. Spot where I can. So I'm gonna turn around right here. Not going no further. No further. Carolina. Just imagine further up north how it stay. This is just North Carolina. Normally the winter always kind of mild on this side. People, it's not normal, just over there. Sign that the sun is out. Yeah, but the snow not gonna melt no time soon. It's gonna be here for weeks. But it's a good sign. We're getting sun. Yeah, some part gonna melt up while some gonna be here. Some part gonna be here for weeks before it actually go away. We would have make it worse now if another snow fall. It would have make it worse or worse. All over there, nothing is, the whole road is white. Cha. My people, so thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. OneMarcusJa Adventure. I'm out.